Welcome to Super Teens, and today we are going to talk about what is money and how do you make money, how do you earn money, how do you spend money, how do you save money. The common challenge nowadays teenagers face is that they don't know how to budget. Now, it's very easy for nowadays with the apps like Amazon, Swiggy, Zomato, where you click on the button and you get everything what you want, but you don't know how much money you spend because there's no physical money. When you spend physical money, that pinches you, right? So we need to understand this money, how much is my money, how much I save, how much I invest, how much I spend, and how much I can earn the money, and all this in this quick video on money paradigm. So let's enjoy this video. And by the way, don't forget to register yourself for Yuva Gurukul Bootcamp, which is happening on 24th and 25th of May. So click on the link, check out more details, and I'll see you inside the video. Alright, so let's start talking about money. एंड उसके पहले मैं आपको एक सिंपल फार्मूला बताता हूँ कि हमको लाइफ में जो भी मिलता है, जो हम सीख रहे हैं, उसमें सबसे पहले आएगा पैराडाइम्स, जो हमने बिलीव्स की बात की बहुत बार, कल से भी कर रहे हैं, आज भी कर रहे हैं. देन वी स्पोक अबाउट हैबिट्स, जो हम कल मेघना आपको सारे जो 7 हैबिट्स है, जो मेन हैबिट्स है, 7 हैबिट्स ऑफ इफेक्टिव टीन्स, शी इज़ गोइंग टू टीच यू इन द नेक्स्ट 3 days. सो हैबिट्स, अपना बिहेवियर कैसा है. उसके बाद हमारी स्किल्स जो मैं आपको सिखा रहा हूँ अबाउट मनी और अबाउट एनी अदर स्किल, बीट अ यूट्यूबर और a cricketer or a cook or anything. And then we take actions. And then we get the results. तो अगर आपको अपने results को बदलना है, आपके पास जो results है, खाली स्कूल के results नहीं बता रहा हूँ, जनरली आपके जो results है उसको अगर बदलना है, तो लोग क्या करते हैं पता है? उन लोग actions को change करने की कोशिश करते हैं. और actions change करते हैं, but result नहीं बदलता है. क्यों? क्योंकि पहले paradigm वही है. जब तक पैराडाइम नहीं बदलेगा, बिहेवियर नहीं बदलेगा, स्किल्स तो वही रहेंगी, एक्शंस बाद में जो लोगे तो रिजल्ट एकदम अलग से नया रिजल्ट आएगा. तो जब भी आपको चाहिए कि मुझे ये फील्ड में मेरा रिजल्ट अलग होना चाहिए, तो जैसे मैं अपना ही बात करता हूँ. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ दैट आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम मोर फिट, लाइक, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू वर्क आउट, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू हैव a lean body and I want to lose weight and all that. So मुझे वो रिजल्ट नया चाहिए, राइट? अब मैं पहले ये एक्सरसाइज करता था, फिर अभी ये एक्सरसाइज करता हूँ, फिर मैं अभी ये डाइट करता था, अभी वो डाइट करता हूँ, तो वो मेरे एक्शंस को बदल रहा हूँ और मेरे रिजल्ट्स नहीं बदल रहे. देन आई हैव टू चेंज. देन आई ऑफकोर्स मेरा ही लेसन मैं सीख रहा हूँ जो मुझे लगाना है सब जगह पे. सेड आई नीड टू चेंज माई पैराडाइम्स, आई नीड टू चेंज माई बिलीफ सिस्टम. So first, I need to believe that I can do it inside. And I visualize that, I affirm that, and I tell everybody. That's what I did a post yesterday. So I'm changing my paradigms. Then I'm changing my behavior. Behavior मतलब एक अंदर से. कभी कभी वो डाइट करते ना तो 10 दिन तक वो नहीं खाते, ये बाद में खाना शुरू कर देते तो वापस वही वेट हो जाता है. बट बिहेवियर मतलब क्या कि परमानेंट चेंज हो गया, कि कुछ चीज़ें अभी नहीं खानी है मेरे को परमानेंटली, या इस टाइम पे ही खानी है, और वो मेरा लाइफ टाइम हैबिट चाहिए, मुझे टेम्पररी हैबिट नहीं चाहिए. बिहेवियर और हैबिट इज समथिंग परमानेंट, राइट? सो दैट चेंजेस. देन आई विल हैव द स्किल टू वर्क आउट एंड टेक वट एवर इन एक्सरसाइज आई डू, एंड देन टेक एक्शंस अबाउट डाइट एंड एक्सरसाइज बोथ. देन डेफिनेटली आई विल गेट बेटर रिजल्ट्स, राइट? सो ऑलवेज व्हेन यू वांट टू चेंज योर रिजल्ट्स, फर्स्ट चेंज योर पैराडाइम्स, then change your behavior, then learn the skills, then take action, then you get the results. Okay? So now we want to change our paradigms about money. Right? Money, who says like who loves money? Like, I know it's very weird question, but it says it's important. You know what? Sometimes हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, especially in the older, I am sure that parents are also watching. That's why I'm using this language or using this topic right now. And when I say I love money, right? I love money. It doesn't mean that I'm greedy. It doesn't mean I'm money-minded. It doesn't mean that I only talk about money and I don't love my wife or I don't love my kids. The simple thing is, jab whatever you love, whatever you attract, and whatever you respect, you are going to attract that. If you say, पैसे कोई चिंता नहीं है, पैसा important नहीं है, तो what words you are using, पैसा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, you are spreading that word in the universe कि पैसा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, तो यूनिवर्स बोलता है इसको पैसे की ज़रूरत नहीं, इसको क्यों दे दे. And when you say I love money, that means the universe brings that money to you. So I love money doesn't mean greedy or anything, right? So don't think about that, because everything right now, if you solve your money problems, and that too especially early in life, then many of your problems get sorted. It doesn't solve all problems for sure, but it solves a lot of problems, right? It solves a lot of problems, right? So money, I love money. Say I love money in the chat box, everyone. How do you like if you want to say I love you to my wife? Now, when you get married to your girlfriend or boyfriend, you say I love you, I love you. And once you get married and you want to retain and you have a great relationship, you keep saying I love you, I love you. In the same way, when you want to make money, I say I love money. And when I make money, I keep saying I love money so I can retain that money. Many people make money but lose it. Many people get that money and then lose it again by whatever ways. So you need to retain that money. So the language has to change. So money starts with 4 things. One, first thing what will come? पैसा पहले कमाना पड़ेगा, right? आएगा कहाँ से? कमाने से आएगा, right? Whatever way you can. Then comes spend, save and invest. अब ये अगर मैं पहले बोलूँ तो सबसे पहले क्या होना चाहिए? Earn होगा. दूसरा क्या होगा? Save, right? So आपके ये I think this is there. If it's not in your workbook, maybe you can draw this money matrix. So right on the earn, जहाँ पे earn लिखा है वहाँ पे you're going to write 1, like first. जहाँ पे save लिखा है वहाँ पे write second. जहाँ पे invest लिखा है वहाँ पे write 3, third. जहाँ पे spend लिखा है write down 4th. Okay? So first step is to earn money. Second step is to save money. Third step is to invest money. And then fourth step is to spend money. Right? Not ulta. Usually people, what they do is, as soon as they earn, they spend. And then they save. Do it the other way. If you want to become rich, poor teens, what they do? They earn and they spend. Rich teen, what they will do? They will earn, they will save and invest, and then they will spend. Got it? Are you guys learning? So what's the first thing? So if I have to make an acronym of this, it's going to be ESIS. Earn, save, invest, spend. Now, let's say how do you earn right now? अभी समझो आपके पास earning नहीं है. The earning what you have, what is your pocket money. The earning what you have is the money which you get during Diwali and New Year and all those things. You get a gift and all that. That's your earning, right? Where do you keep your earnings? Now, where are you going to put that? Where is that? Where have you put your money right now? Parents के पास ही है. Okay. Piggy bank. Okay. Can we have a picture of piggy bank? Can we have a picture of piggy bank? काफ़ी लोगों ने बोला वॉलेट में रखा है, काफ़ी लोगों ने मनी पाउच में रखा है, पिगी बैंक में रखा है. Some are saying investment portfolio है, some are saying फैम पे वॉलेट सेफ में रखा है, UPI में रखा है, right? So any one picture, take it. So if I show you this piggy bank, which is on your screen, इसके अंदर पैसा डालोगे तो क्या पिगी बैंक, ये जो पिगी है, खा के बड़ा होगा अपने आप? नहीं होगा. क्या जो आप अंदर पैसा डालोगे, समझो आपने 2,000 रुपये अंदर डाले, तो क्या थोड़े टाइम के बाद वो 3,000 होंगे? नहीं. So you are making your money lazy, like a pig. The pig is also lazy. और पिगी बैंक में पैसा डालोगे तो मनी ऑल्सो बिकम्स लेजी. जैसे लोगों के साथ रहोगे वैसे बन जाते हैं हम, राइट? सो पिगी बैंक में पैसा डालना इज द वर्स्ट थिंग यू कैन डू. वॉट विल हैपन टू दैट? द पिग विल नॉट ग्रो, द मनी विल नॉट ग्रो. बोथ आर लेजी पीपल inside that piggy. So what we need is we make money, whatever. Right now we're saying pocket money or whatever it is. But later on when you work hard, you have a hard earned money. Right? Once you have this hard earned money, what you need to do is, now you have to make the money work hard for you. First you work hard for the money, then money works hard for you. And how does that happen? It doesn't happen with piggy bank because neither the pig or the money inside the pig bank are going to work anything, doing anything. They're just going to sit and it doesn't grow. So what we need to do is we need to do something called as savings. Savings, अभी savings हम कहाँ रख सकते हैं? सबसे safe place जो savings का है वो है bank. You know what is a bank? Right, everybody knows. What are some of the banks? Put that in the chat box.